Assalamu alaikum, good evening friends, praise be to Allah who has given everything to us all. In this video we will show you how to flash the BIOS on an Axio laptop with a motherboard model of 671W2100D04. This laptop we flash the BIOS because it is protected by a password and the owner forgets about the password. We have done the clear method by removing the CMOS battery, but it can't be helped. Then we decide to flash the BIOS. Before we flash this BIOS, the first thing we need to prepare is to get the BIOS file according to the motherboard model. And here we have prepared the file. So we are ready for flashing. The first step after the BIOS file is ready is to remove the BIOS IC on the motherboard. We can remove it using ordinary solder. You can also use steam solder or a heater blower at 450 Celsius degrees. Then after the IC temperature returns to normal, not hot, then we put it in the programmer tool for the flashing process. Then after the flashing application we open do the process according to this video. After we do the flashing BIOS process, we put the BIOS IC on the motherboard again. Previously, don't resolder the pins on the motherboard as in this video so that later the IC can adhere well to the motherboard. The flashing step is complete and the laptop is ready for testing. Now the laptop is no longer protected by a password. Alhamdulillah, the work is complete. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and the bell so you get a notification when we upload the latest video. Like and share this video in order to help more laptop users around the world. Wassalamu alaikum.